Hello, Abel. So for this video lesson, we're gonna go through some exercises, two-finger diagonal patterns, some bending. We're gonna learn about octave power chords, and then we're gonna finish off with some Juice WRLD from that song you wanted to do. So to start off, we're gonna use our pointer and middle finger. We're gonna go 2, 3, go down a string, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8. So thickest string, because remember, thickest string is at the bottom, E, A, D, G, B, E, the low E to the high E. So your pointer will go from 2 to 7 along this diagonal. So here we go. So 2, 3, up to 3, 4, so diagonal, to 4, 5, diagonal, down another string, 5, 6, diagonal again, 6, 7, diagonal again, 7, 8. So just try to get that down, up, down, up. Just try to get that at a comfortable speed. That'll help both your fingers out. All right. So the next thing, we're gonna do a cool bending segment. So on the G string, so if you remember, thickest string is down here. Go up a string, up a string, up a string. The G string, 5th fret. It'll sound like that. So we're gonna bend it, and it'll sound like this. You bend it, and that's what this is for. So you bend it up, down, bend it up, down. And you can use your ring finger. So I'm using my ring finger and then my middle and pointer behind the ring finger to support it. So I'm using 3 fingers to bend. So with this first segment, so you bend, drop it, bend, drop it, and then slide to 9. So, all right, so that's what that is, the 9. And the next part, you do that same bending pattern, and then you go to 12. So these two together, so 5th fret G string to the 9th fret, 5th fret G string to the 12th. So and then for the last part, you go from the 5th fret to the 15th. So 9, 12, to 15. Remember to use 3 fingers, bend with your ring finger, and support it with your middle and pointer. So all 3 are on the fretboard, helping each other. All right, so now for octave power chords. So we'll use the A and G string. So remember, thickest string. So thickest string is down here, so go up, 7th fret. And then the D string, E, A, D, is muted. And then on the G string, 9th fret. That's what that will sound like. So if you see up here, it's an E4. Let's be. So E, an E note, and then another E note. It's just an octave higher. Boom, 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 boom. So it's the same note, just higher pitch. You can go 7, 9. To 9, and then 11, and then back to 7, 9. So 7, 9, 9, 11, 7, 9. That'll sound like this. And then you can drop it down to 12, 14 on those same strings, and then 10, 12, 9, 11. So 12, 14, and then 10, 12, and then 9, 11. So this sequence right here will sound like this. And then we do that again, 7, 9, 9, 11, 7, 9. And then you drop all the way down to 15, 17, 13, 15, and 12, 14. So 15 on the A string, 17 on the G string, 13, 15. So 13, 15, down to 15-17 to 13-15 to 12-14. So let me play this one more time. So here we go, 7-9. That's what that first one is, and then 12-14. That's that section. Next section, back to that. And now 15-17, 13-15, 12-14. That's what that is. So as you can see, you're at the A string, you go down 2 strings, 1, 2, and then over 2 frets. So 2 plus 7 is 9. Same thing here, 1, 2, 2 plus 9, 11. Boom. Now, oh, if my camera was blocking it, that's what it looks like right there. So now the Juice WRLD song. We'll start on the D string. Remember E-A-D, thickest string down here. 1, 2, 3. So we go 8, 8, and then 6, 8. So it's the 8, 8, 6, 8, 5, 5, 5, 5, 8, 8, 6, 8, 5, 5, 5, 5. And then a little bit faster. It's on the same string, 8, 8, 6, 8, 5, 5, 5, 5. So that's that part, and then it goes to this. So we'll do this all together. So let me go back to that last part. So that's that part, 6, 6, 6, 8, 5, 5. And it's on the D string, and then 5th fret on the G string. So 6, 6, 6 on the D string, and then 8 on the D. And then that just repeats again. Let me do that one more time. So 8, 8, 8, 6, 8, 8, 8, 6, 8, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And then now the sixes. 8, 5, 5. 6s. 8, 5, 5. All right. That concludes the lesson. So make sure you go over this. I really want you to get this part down. We'll go over it when you're at the studio next week, all right? So see you next week.